So the first stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Tesla, or ticker symbol TSLA. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. And other than that, let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So not a lot of action between yesterday and this morning, you guys. We were down 0.25%. Yesterday, and this morning pre-market we're at 0.07%, so nothing really has been moving around. So let's check the volume, and that'll explain it, you guys. For at least this morning, is that we're only up 39,000, so we want to see that above the 150,000 threshold before the market opens, because anything below 150,000, you guys, it's going to be such a slow moving stock that you're not going to be able to get in and get out, especially if you're day trading or swing trading. But you know, that applies on for holding a little bit longer. So all right, so I have my lines and graphs like I said, so let's go over those, and then we'll get into the individual candlesticks in more in depth. So this top line represents our major resistance line. You can see once we came up into this area, we got rejected here, 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 and here. So ultimately about 4 or 5 times. And the last time that we hit that area of resistance, it got pushed all the way down to our major support line down here. And you can see that we've bounced from this level. It's going to work as a floor, basically a support. Bounce from right here, and once we broke underneath, we came up and retested our support and bounced up, and now this is kind of where we're at currently. Okay, so, and this middle line is just our minor resistance and support line, which we'll go into in a second if need be, but I just want to get into where we're at. Okay, so you can see that we just kind of been fluctuating between above this support line and this resistance line, and you see that we created this breakout right here. We came up and came back down, and now are retesting our support line. So if you were to get in right now, because we are above the trend line just barely, so I mean, in theoretically speaking, we are in an upward trend. If we go down to the 1 hour chart, we can see that more clearly, and even on the 1 hour chart, we're still above the trend line, and we're above our resistance line. So I mean, other than that, you guys, we could get in right now as a buy opportunity. You just have a tight stop loss under our previous resistance, that being at the 594 or the 596. If I would personally have it underneath this candlestick at the 581, just in case we have a candlestick wick that peekaboos below and doesn't ultimately tag you out if it does go higher. Okay, and also your stop loss all depends on the type of trader you are. Some people may not have one at all, but at least have a mental stop loss. So if we do break back below these levels and things are going sour, you at least know to get tagged out or wait for a better entry. Okay, your first target is obviously going to be back up here at this previous pivot. That's going to be the 663, and then ultimately at the 703 should be your second target. Okay, but other than that, you guys, I just wanted to make this really short and sweet today. Like I said, I don't really have an issue if you guys were to get in. Just have a tight stop loss, like I said, around maybe the 580 or the 589 dollar area, and that's going to be below the resistance line. Okay, but other than that, you guys, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading, and stay tuned for the other videos that I'm posting, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.